Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm tidying my bathrooms. Since it's Thanksgiving week, you guys are probably preparing to have a few guests over, so I figured I'd give you guys some bathroom cleaning motivation this week because I know that mine were disgusting, y'all. It's because this chore is my husband's, but since his work schedule has changed a little, I've had to take over. So let's get started. Another broken plate, another called off. If you're new and here for the first time, I am Dani. I am a married stay-at-home mom of 4 boys, and I'd love for you to subscribe and be a part of our growing tidy tribe. Every Monday, I upload a brand new cleaning motivation or organization video, and I'd hate for you to miss out. When I think it through, I can help the way I feel for you. You make me lose my mind like all the time. It still feels right. Stuck in an endless fight like every night. It still feels right. Even the words can sting. I wouldn't change a thing, 'cause without you everything means nothing. You make me lose my mind like all the time. It still feels right. By the phone, hoping you'll answer yours. Baby, let's talk until we're fine. You've been in bed for days, empty without me, you say. Can't you just magically turn up in mine? Then you knock on my door on the second floor, and I feel okay. We just made it through, and I love the way I feel for you. Make me lose my mind like all the time. It still feels right. Stuck in an endless fight like every night. It still feels right. Even the words can sting. I wouldn't change a thing, 'cause without you everything means nothing. You make me lose my mind like all the time. It still feels right. Get it right, but it still feels right. We never get it right, but somehow it feels right. That's how I feel about you. You make me lose my mind like all the time. It still feels right. Stuck in an endless fight like every night. It still feels right. Even the words can sting. I wouldn't change a thing, 'cause without you everything means nothing. You make me lose my mind like all the time. It still feels right. Oh yeah, still feels right. 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 I've been dreaming all night, bringing me some inspiration. Never meant to love no one, but baby, I saw you for a second and I'm happy that you came my way. Don't wanna waste no time without you ever brightening up my days. Never meant to fall so hard. me being the only girl in the house, these toilets get really disgusting. I mean, there's always pee everywhere. Ugh.
But baby, I saw you for a second and I'm happy that you came my way. Don't wanna waste no time without you ever brightening up my days. Never meant to fall so hard. Oh, love of mine, I don't wanna take knowing that you're not beside me. Love of mine, love me for a while. Love of mine. I've been dreaming all night, bringing me some inspiration. Never meant to love no one. Love of mine. Love of mine. Occasionally, I need to breathe. Stop me for a second, I got needs. Occasionally, I set them free. Don't hold me back now, I'm in the lead. This part, so cold life. This part, so cold life. What a time to be alive. Lately, I've been dancing on my own so bravely. Steady steps on the ground, hate me, but I ain't never coming down, never coming down. 'Cause lately, I've been dancing on my own so bravely.
Okay, so a few days ago on my Instagram stories, I actually posted a tidy tip suggesting that you guys go out and buy a washable shower liner because you can use it again and again. I've actually had my shower liner for almost 2 years now, and I just throw it in the wash once a week or once every 2 weeks with my shower curtain, and it's been holding up really well, saving me time and money. So is this something that you do? Am I the only one who uses a washable shower liner? Let me know in the comments below, because I've got to say I was completely surprised at how many people don't actually do this. Steps on the ground, hate me, but I ain't never coming down, never coming down. Lately, I've been dancing on my own so bravely. Steady steps on the ground, hate me, but I ain't never coming down, never coming down. 'Cause lately, I've been dancing on my own so bravely. Another round on my mind, hate me, but I ain't never coming down, never
while we enemies. No, you don't mind the way I stutter my words. You know exactly what it means.
I am done with our first bathroom, and now I'm headed into our second bathroom, which is just a half bath.
So hard to breathe, 'cause when you get too close, I lose my way and I freeze. I wish you knew what power you have over me, but now it's so hard to breathe. Just get me out of here. Just get me out of here. Just get me out of. How can you be so calm around me when I act desperately? You used to be the one getting crazy when I'd be hard to reach. I can see it in your eyes. You don't wanna talk anymore. I wanna get so numb while we enemies. No, you don't mind the way I stutter my words. You know exactly what it means and how it hurts. Oh, I can't believe you're here. Can't get any worse. No. I just wanna get out of here. I find it so hard to breathe, 'cause when you get too close, I lose my way and I freeze. I wish you knew what power you have over me, but now it's so hard to breathe. Just get me out of here. Just get me out of here. I just wanna get out of here. I find it so hard to breathe, 'cause when you get too close, I lose my way and I freeze. I wish you knew what power you have over me, but now it's so hard to breathe. Just get me out of here. I can't believe you're here. Can't get any words. No.
Not used to this. I don't know how to act, don't know how to adapt to this situation. Not used to this, no I'm not, but better let myself give in to love, believe in us no matter what it does to my heart. Not used to this, no I'm not. It was like if we were to waste these moments, they're like poets to me. You getting inside my brain. I feel emotionally drained. You getting inside my brain. You getting inside my brain. You're new to me. I don't know who you are, be like a piece of art. I want more, but better slow it down. Inside my mind is getting all too loud, I get scared. Not used to this, not prepared. Not used to this, not prepared. Not prepared. It was like if we were to waste these moments, they're like poets to me. You getting inside my brain. I feel emotionally drained. You getting inside my brain. You getting inside my brain.
Okay guys, that's it for today's cleaning motivation video. If you enjoyed it, please give it a big thumbs up and make sure you're subscribed to see more cleaning motivation videos like this every week. Thanks for watching.